Hey there guys, I got a UDI Arrow model 1005 here, and the poorly illustrated instructions don't give you much information, but you see this piece here that has some tool marks on it, light tool marks. You're going to take your supplied silver wrenches that came with your UDI Arrow in your little parts bag that you may have tossed to the side, and you're going to place one wrench here and one wrench there. And you're gonna, when you put this wrench on that spot, like holding here, to loosen it, you're gonna hold this one in place and then place your other wrench on that side, and you're going to pull it towards you counterclockwise, which will undo it. Don't lose this retaining sleeve that's inside. On this model, it's very nice. You don't have to undo any of this stuff to get to it. And the propeller with the whole flex shaft, or flex cable, whatever you want to call it, will come right out. And then if you don't like grease on your fingers, you can use a rubber glove and get marine grade grease, and you'll end up going in keeping this maintained before and after each time you run this. You should do this process. In addition, the battery that came supplied is this UDI battery, 22 milliamp 11.1 with a discharge rate of 25 Cs. And unfortunately, you are confined to the space of 105 millimeters long of a battery. This one, I believe, is slightly shorter, comparing them apples to oranges, but has a much higher capacity and a higher discharge. It came with a T-style connector, so I am changing this one out to a T-style connector. Oh, almost lost my boat there. And here's the other one. So I'm going to solder that, and then I'm going to shrink this tube over it. Now, I don't like how I see a little bit of the exposed wire at the base, so I'm going to insulate that tighter at the base when I'm finished before it's done. But anyways, I hope to show you a post video of how this thing runs afterwards, and stay safe and keep boating.